What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to find the ICCID number on your iPhone. Now keep in mind, if you do not have a SIM card installed on your iPhone, this number may not show up, so you need to get a SIM card in order for it to show up. So in order to find this number, you're going to open up your settings app. Once you've launched the settings app, you're going to scroll down just a little bit to find the general option. Should be near the top on that third block of settings. You're just going to click on that. Then once you're in this screen, all the way at the top, the first option at the top is the About tab. You're going to click on the About tab. Now, I'm not going to click on it for this tutorial because there's a lot of personal information when you click on that. But once you have it open, you're going to scroll all the way down, and under the category Primary, you're going to see a slot for the ICCID number. It's towards the bottom of the About tab, and like I said, it is under the category Primary, and right there you will find the ICCID number that you need. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you had any questions or were confused by anything, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, thanks for watching.